The present bear market is a big one, and the overall mood in the cryptocurrency industry hasn't changed from reflecting great concern. It will be challenging to sustain momentum-driven rallies and Cardano until this changes. Welcome to Cardano Insider. We provide the latest news of Cardano ADA. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. There are 50 Cardano ADA coins up for grabs. Simply put, Cardano is king. We will reveal the lucky winner at the end of the month. The Cardano ADA cryptocurrency will surely make you rich. Although the founder of Cardano has rightly stated this, precise timing is necessary for this bullish journey. Strong demand for cryptocurrencies also works well for generating favorable press, as does Bitcoin's consistent progress, which has always spurred renewed bullish attitude. Ethereum makes large movements that are helpful at catching investors' attention. Cardano, a cryptocurrency of the third generation, seems to be gaining from these developments of optimism outweighing pessimism. Currently, investors appear to be favoring Cardano ADA. Given the enormous degree of growth projected for cryptocurrencies over the next few years, Ethereum Killer has all the makings of a millionaire. The token has, of course, left a trail of clues suggesting that this option will be thwarted. Since the beginning of 2021, Cardano's price has increased significantly as a result of the cryptocurrency's strong investor interest. It started the year at 18 cents, but it rose swiftly within a week to 32 cents, fighting volatility to reach an all-time high of $3.10 before falling immediately after. Nevertheless, a number of projections predict that Cardano will reach record-breaking values. Many investors believe that there is a lot of hype surrounding cryptocurrencies like Cardano because they want to find the next big token. High-profile buyers have experienced the hype, with Gene Simmons being an obvious example, who announced that he had purchased $300,000 worth of ADA. However, it is important to understand that the reality of Cardano is that its upcoming price rally won't be subject to hype. The rise of decentralized finance, increased opportunities, and the surge in interest in DeFi platforms like Cardano are the main factors that could make an investment in the cryptocurrency a millionaire maker. More and more financial institutions are working to integrate cryptocurrencies into their systems. The DeFi solutions are really alluring. The Cardano development team anticipates that in the coming years, Cardano will experience exceptional growth. Cardano was made in large part by the same variables that often have an impact on cryptocurrencies, such as the development team and how it works. Because of its layered construction and decentralized nature, it is a tempting investment choice. The emergence of DeFi will be crucial in resolving the ADA coin price issue. The DeFi space is expanding rapidly, and Cardano, with its layered structure, is in an ideal position to benefit from the DeFi spaces. The development of Cardano's success may currently appear to be a candle in the wind. But it depends on how many smart contracts and how many depths the platform can handle. Investors may be sure that Cardano was aggressively modernizing the platform because of this. It is more than capable of overcoming any difficulties because it is a peer-reviewed blockchain. Can we then draw the conclusion that Cardano really does create millionaires? A closer look at the coin's price history shows that it has maintained relative stability and a bullish trend. Over the next few years, most technical analyses and price forecasts for Cardano are optimistic. The volatility of the cryptocurrency markets hasn't changed, though. Market attitudes, which can change at any time and could have a significant impact on the price of ADA coins, could do so. Depending on the market circumstances that circle around it, either now or later would be the ideal time to make millions with Cardano ADA. The present moment may be moving in the right direction, but the Fed's involvement and other macroeconomic forces might quickly end it. This appears to be what investors are thinking. Despite being a very optimistic development, the introduction of the vessel hard fork on the mainnet had no impact on the price of the ADA token. So timing isn't really a factor. The market environment, however, markets may test lower lows and remain quiet until inflation numbers start to improve because the Federal Reserve has maintained its hawkish stance. Following the Federal Reserve's announcement to hike interest rates, the cryptocurrency markets were erratic. With the slide of Bitcoin to new lows came oppressive headwinds. Additionally, the two words that are currently on every cryptocurrency investor's lips are undeniably crypto. Since the peak of a significant surge in 2021, winter cryptocurrencies have had a severe decline, shedding $2 trillion in value. The most recent crisis differs from earlier downturns and Bitcoin in one specific way. The most recent cycle has been characterized by a number of occurrences that, as a result of the industry's interconnectedness and business models, are dispersed across the sector. There have also been similarities between the current meltdown and earlier collapses, the most notable of which are seismic losses incurred by new entrants who were seduced into cryptocurrency by claims of stratospheric returns. The cryptocurrency industry was completely unprepared for the fall of the USD stablecoin and the dread of blockchain. When the market instability will stop, though, is uncertain given how we got here. However, as crypto companies battle to settle their debts and handle client withdrawals, experts predict that there would be more suffering in the future. The head of research at CoinShares, James Butterfield, said, "The next targets for this autumn would be mining operations and Bitcoin exchanges. We predict that the congested exchange business will also suffer the pain. Given the intense competition and the degree to which exchanges rely on economies of scale, additional casualties are likely to be highlighted by the current situation." He stated plainly that the market's current condition does not favor the emergence of a Cardano ADA millionaire. Cardano's positive position may, after all, force the market as a whole to undergo required revisions. Charles Hoskinson has continued to make astounding statements in spite of the market's unfavorable sentiment. Hoskinson recently spoke about Hydra, a Layer 2 scaling solution that is scheduled to debut in September 2023. The lead software engineer at IO.G, Sebastian Nagel, referred to a blog post he wrote on September 17 in this article. According to Nagel, Hydra was one of the intriguing discoveries made possible by the Alonzo update. According to him, scaling to achieve the throughput required to run applications in the real world is difficult for Cardano, just like it is for any permissionless blockchain. Cardano transactions include fees, and the network administrators need to be fairly compensated for their contributions. Thus, the fees must be established at a level that is sustainable. Denial of stake attacks must also be prevented on the blockchain. Therefore, these must be set so low as to expose users to unnecessary risk. DDoS events must be rendered prohibitively expensive for a potential attacker. He continued, the most successful blockchains risk becoming victims of that very success, exactly 1 month later on October 30, 2021. Storage is also an issue since an ever-growing transaction history can lead to storage concerns. Charles Hoskinson disclosed that the Hydro development work was progressing quite well at a surprise AMA session. "We'll keep supplying Hydro with resources. As a result of the commercial nature of the workstream, we have been attempting to identify some teams in order to halt it. And being able to offload a significant portion of the transaction traffic that will be generated by all the incoming apps will be crucial." Charles Hoskinson used Hydro when speaking about cryptocurrency in a recent Cheeky interview. He claimed that it is simple to see that things like Mitra and Hydra are just more elaborate versions of well-known ideas when one examines them. MIT develops these proof certificates and proposes the threshold signature concept. Following that, transactions are accompanied by proof certificates. And it makes you accountable to everyone. This notion is not new. We've been discussing the new things we implemented for something like 10 years. It's challenging to